Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I'm actually gonna do a hot girl summer look. I really do like to use very neutrals when I'm out and about, especially during the summer, because we usually have the sun up in our faces. But I do like to add color now. I feel like, I don't know, like neutrals are so 2011. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna get started in my hot girl summer look, and I'm going to be using one of my palettes from my store. I will also have I will leave the link here in the screen for my site. Make sure you guys check it out. And I'm going to be using the Lady Rose palette. I really like this palette because I really like the neutral colors, but more importantly, I love a palette that has a black shade and a white shade. I feel like that is a very essential colors that should be in every palette. But I also like the shimmers on this palette, so I feel like this also gives me a lot of summer vibes. I'm gonna use is my Cara Beauty primer, and this is my putty. Everything that I'm using is from my store, and what I like about this one is a very nice consistency primer, and it's almost like the MAC primer. I know they have I think a MAC putty primer, I think. I'm not too sure, something like that. I remember seeing it. But this is a really good dupe. But also I really like Cara Beauty. I already told you guys it's one of my favorite indie brands right now. I'm gonna use my finger for this. I like to warm up this formula in my finger because I feel like it lets me blend this a lot faster, but also evenly. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with Terracotta, which is this orangey shade right here, and we're gonna put this all over the lid, okay? We're gonna go with the Morphe 441, and now we're gonna go in with blush, which is kind of like a pinkish color. So we're gonna go ahead on top of the crease and just go all around it. And lastly, I want to go in with Papaya, which is like a mixture of a pink and an orange one. And I kind of really do like it. I almost like it by itself, like a nice papaya look, I feel. But we're going to use that to soften that pink and orange up. So we're going to go ahead and grab another fluffy brush, and it's going to be a blending brush as well. Wow, and right away I'm really liking this. It's really mixing all colors put together. It's really making this look a lot softer. Okay, now that I have the mixture of colors that I want, and I pretty much used three. Again, I used the Lady Rose palette, and I used the colors Terracotta, Rust, and Papaya. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, apply my lashes, and I will be back. I went ahead and continued with my eyes. I applied eyeliner, mascara, and my favorite faux lashes for my store. I also went ahead and finished my foundation, and I ended up applying contour using my Lorella Pro Contour Palette, and finish it off with some blush and also my favorite lipstick, Chula. And this is the final look. I had a really good time creating this look. I really dig it. I love it's kind of like a pink melon color, but it has a kick to it, I feel. Oh no. If you guys are here, please like and subscribe to my channel for another giveaway. If you watched last week's video, there was a giveaway for that specific video with the secret emoji. So my winner for that video was Stephanie Harvest. Stephanie Harvest, if you are watching, make sure that you send your address and let me know that you won a YouTube goodie bag, and pretty much this is going to include makeup from my store, and it is a really great goodie bag. So make sure that you send me your address at my Can You Do It Beauty Facebook page. Okay, moving forward, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video.